Welcome. If you want to showcase your website directly on your X, formerly Twitter profile using your PC, you're in the right place. Adding your website link is a great way to help followers discover more about you, your work, or your business. Let's walk through the process step by step using the latest update on X. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving forward. Once you're on the X homepage, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Profile. This will take you straight to your personal profile page, where all your tweets and details are displayed. At the top right of your profile page, you'll notice a button labeled Edit Profile. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the profile editing screen, where you can update your name, bio, location, and, of course, your website. Now, find the section labeled Website. Click into this field and type or paste the full URL of the website you want to share. Double-check to make sure the link is correct. This is what your followers will use to visit your site. After you've entered your website, take a quick moment to review any other details you might want to update. When you're happy with how everything looks, click the Save button, usually located at the top right of the editing window. That's it. Your website is now visible on your X profile for everyone to see. This simple addition can help drive more traffic to your site and make it easier for people to connect with you beyond X. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on making the most of your X profile. See you next time.